Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper dish rack assembly in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper dish rack assembly. The upper dish rack assembly is used for storing small plates and pots and could be conveniently rolled in and out. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it gets corroded and starts breaking apart, leaving ugly spots on the dishes. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Let's pull the upper dish rack and slide it back so we can expose this rail end cap. To remove the rail end cap, you can either open this tab with your finger or use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Pull it up here on the side and slide it off. And now we're going to remove the opposite rail end cap the same way. Now I'm going to slide out the upper dish rack assembly. I'm going to close the door because it's going to be on the way. And place the upper dish rack assembly on the countertop. We need to remove this water supply tube with the spray arm attached to it. For that, I'm going to place it on the side. And I'm going to pull on this locking tab. Support this spray arm with your left hand. And now we can remove it. This is the old upper dish rack assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We need to install the water supply tube with the spray arm on. So it goes from the back here, and these two tabs here locks over the two wires here. But one is above and one is below. Like that. If you see that it goes inside, then we place this tab over the wire on the top, and we're going to push it in. That's locked. Now we can install it into the dishwasher. So we can install the new upper dish rack assembly onto the rail. It goes between the bottom one and the middle one rollers. Same thing on the opposite side. And roll it in and pull out the rails. And we can install the end caps. Let's slide the end cap on. Push it in, it's gonna click and lock on. Same thing on this side. Now we can roll in the upper dish rack and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.